Viesao Manuro boe Orere Viesa Urobo kokole akbare Urobo Orere Viesa Obalu robo jena Sofa jewa tiaye Edefa meri akpo Talu robo meware Urobo Orere Viesao Anyoma Urobo Obu Urobo awarena Obu Urobo loshare mena Obu Wado Oma wana begano Okriye mirari heke bobu Ina obu to isoro No nena Bebu no takbare Ekpan hobi yorita Nana Where Urobo Answer to these words in Urobo. I thought about them before, but I didn't record the video. So now I want to do the recording. So follow me as we go there. Ekpan obiyo reta nana where Urobo. Answers to these words in Urobo. English and Urobo. Midnight. Uhere biranso. Good evening. Omamorowowo. Night and so. Good morning. Omamorioke. Thursday. Ediwene. Saturday. Edijanaro tete. Afternoon. Ogeruvo. Morning. Urioke. October. Emerawirikwe. Monday. Edilwe soswo. Sunday, Edijanaro day. Good night till tomorrow. Or some people do say Kode. Good night till tomorrow. Good night till tomorrow. Kode. Evening, Owowo. Wednesday, Edilwera. November, Emerawerukwovo. July, Emerawerigre. August, Emerawerere. Friday, Ediluiyori. Tuesday, Ediluive. December, Emerawerikwive. December, Emerawerikwive. How do we call elder in Urobo? How do we call elder in Urobo? Elder is called Opako. Who is saying Migwe to the other in Urobo? Who is saying Mingwo to the other in Urobo? Younger person. That is somebody who is senior, who is an elderly person to you. You greet them Migwe in Urobo. Then, how will you answer one's greeting in Urobo? You answer the person as an elderly person. When your younger one greets you Migwe, you answer the person Vrendo, which means rise up do. Migwe means I am on my knees. Then the elderly person will answer you Vrendo, which is rise up do, as in form of greeting. Then how do we call market day in Urobo? How do we call market day in Urobo? Market day is called Edeki. Edeki. Urobo were no in your Wado Urobo is too interesting. If you don't know how to speak or write in Urobo language, go and do it now. It is very good for me and for you. Urobo Wado, Urobo my pride.